Welcome back to my channel. Today we're staying in the Hampton Inn in Lordsburg, New Mexico, and this is their standard king room. They have a sitting chair in the room, a desk with a coffee maker, and they also have landline internet. If you don't want to use wireless internet, you can connect your laptop directly. A mini fridge and a microwave. Nice big flat screen TV. King size bed. Alarm clock. And another nice feature they have right beside the bed is 3 extra charging ports for regular electrical outlets, and then also USB charging ports to charge your phone. As well as on the lights, they have the extra charging ports, which is a nice feature to have. Okay, now we'll continue with the tour in the restroom. And in the king room, they have a shower. And that's going to complete our room tour of the Hampton Inn in Lordsburg, New Mexico, standard king room. Thanks for watching.